In this video, I will discuss another book folding technique, which is called 180 fold. This technique is simply a special case of positive or negative cut and fold, that is method 1 or method 2. If you haven't seen my video about these techniques, I recommend you watch them first. You can find the links to these videos in the description below, or click on the link in the top right corner. The 180 fold technique only requires one line. You can either draw this line, or alternatively fold the entire sheet and the crease will serve as the line. In principle, the distance of this line from the book's foredge is arbitrary, but especially for books with thin paper, it is better if the distance is not too large, and the distance should not be larger than half of the book's width. In the next step, you mark the pattern. For this, you may either use the Mark Cut and Fold pattern table or the bent template. If you decided to fold the sheet and use the crease of the fold instead of drawing a line, you should unfold the leaf before marking. Alternatively, you can first apply all your marks on the page and then fold the leaf and unfold it again. Next, in the places where there are marks, cut from the foredge until the line or crease. After that, you obtained at least 2 tabs. These are your pattern and background parts. Depending on if you want your subject to be in positive or negative, you fold the background and pattern parts differently. If you want your subject to be positive, you fold the background parts so that their fold overlaps with the line determined in the first step. The pattern parts are folded such that their edge is aligned with the line or with the crease of the fold you made in the first step. For a negative effect, you do the opposite. The background parts are folded such that their edges are aligned with the line, and the pattern parts are folded so that their crease overlaps with the line you made in the first step. As you know from watching my videos or reading the instructions for method 1 and 2, their first step is to draw 2 lines. The main reason why 2 lines are required for those methods instead of 1 is that this ensures the stability of the folds. Since the edge of every tab is always folded deeper into the book than the edge of the background, the tabs will be held by the neighboring sheets. This is not the case for the 180 fold technique. Therefore, it may happen that some of your tabs won't hold firmly and will get unfolded. If pressing them stronger does not hold them in the desired position, you may glue or tape them. Watch my other videos for more detailed information of book folding techniques. Mark, cut, fold and enjoy your book with NailYt.